Welcome to this video on equations with fractions. We're going to use some magic today, work out these equations even though they've got fractions in them, but don't be fooled, we can work them out. Here we go. To solve an equation with a fraction, multiply both sides by the denominator. What's missing? Oh, the O. Both sides by the denominator. Don't forget, denominator, the difference between numerator and denominator is the D. D for down, so it's the down value. You can see the D down value in example 1. It's the 4, isn't it? It's the value at the bottom of the fraction here. So d over 4 equals 5. So what I have to do is multiply the denominator here on both sides. So what this does, that line there is like a dividing line. So divided by 4 is cancelled out by times 4. And obviously 5 times 4 equals 20. So d equals 20. Now I can check it. I can replace my term here, my pronumeral. 20 divided by 4 equals 5. Brilliant. We just checked it. Now, example 2, a little bit trickier. Same sort of rule applies. Here we have 3 over 5, w equals 6. Now, you've probably already seen the denominator. It's the 5. So I have to multiply both sides by 5. So divided by 5 is cancelled out by times 5. And 6 times 5 equals 30. So we're left with 3w equals 30. So to remove this 3 here, there's a hidden term in there, it's times. So to move it from one side to the other, I actually have to divide both sides by 3. Okay, so 3 times 3 divided by 3 will remove that 3 on that side. 30 divided by 3 equals 10. Lastly, a little bit trickier, example 3. Now we're using the same rule about the denominator, so we have to multiply both sides by that denominator, but don't be tricked. There's another rule in here. You can see how this plus 2 here is standing out here, and it's actually not part of our fraction here. Don't forget that when dealing with equations, we're moving from one side of the equation to the other, we actually have to work backwards. And what that means is, with the order of operations, so what are they? Divide, times, plus, minus, we actually have to do the opposite. So don't forget the little acronym, BODMAS, brackets over division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So we actually had to do that in the opposite order. So here we have the plus 2, and because that's like at the end, we do that first because we're working backwards. And so we have to get rid of that plus 2 there by minusing the 2 on both sides. So plus 2 minus 2, that cancels that out. 6 minus 2 is 4. Now we can use our little rule to do with the denominator. So obviously divided by 7 times 7, that cancels that out. 4 times 7 is 28. And we're left with 3u equals 28. Okay, so times 3 is cancelled out by divided by 3. But this is a bit tricky. 28 divided by 3. That really doesn't go. But I do know that 9 3s are 27. So if 9 3s are 27, what's the remainder? 1. So the answer is u equals 9 and 1 over 3, or 1/3. Now don't forget you can check it, so you could bring up this 9 and a third back into the original equation. So 3 times u, so 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times a third, so a third of 3 is 1, so 27 plus 1 is 28. So 28 divided by 7 is 4, so 4 plus 2 is 6. Brilliant, it worked. You're awesome. Make sure if you've got notes, have a bit of a practice. Don't forget to go to the textbook and go to Hot Maths. Good luck.